Definitely do your research and check the quality difference. A $200,000 purchase, I sure will not do it if I didn't like the seat in it. After C19,
everything went down.
Oh my goodness. These new ones look nice. It might not be worth it.
VanLife Introverts. VanLife Introverts.
Roll out. Roll out the top back.
They're hysterical. Hysterical. They're hysterical.
So one day, Debra and I, we're in a van right now, and I think if we were to change, we'll get a Class C, but we do be looking at the Class A, especially like one like this right here. You know, I want the dual axles with the tandem in the back, and you know, but you just gotta dream about those. But if you don't want to dream and you want it to come to reality, you come look at something like this. What attracts us is this is believe it or not, this is a Ford chassis, so the Open Road Allegro, and I don't even know where the headlights are because this don't look like it.
I don't think that is.
Oh, right here.
Oh.
how dumb am I? But it's really got a sharp look, and I'm really into the looks on the outside. If I really like the inside and don't like the outside, it's a wrap, you know. So this attracted me over. So let's check it out. You know, I don't know how long it is. Where is it? It's on the side. Looks like about 35 feet, 35 feet. So check it out. When you open these doors, steps come out. It's got auto steps, and we need this because Debra is short.
Yes, I'm very short. There we go. All right. So, what we noticed, what we liked about it was, well, first, just the overall appearance. It has the great stove that we like.
By the way, this is a slide out, and
yeah,
we can't slide it out. I don't want to mess with their slides, and
yeah, so
I don't break something because we be breaking stuff.
We do.
We're
just squeezing through. So
oh my God.
Here's the bathroom. Really big bathroom, actually. And then here is, I'll let him slide in here. It has a ceiling fan. It has tons of cabinetry for storage. It has a full-size refrigerator. Like, for real, a full-size.
Mm-hmm. All the way down to the ground.
Yeah, all the way down to the ground. And all of the storage, I've got to squeeze through.
This is not an official. We know the slides is closed,
Yeah.
and we really can't show it, but this is the best we do.
Yeah.
We can do. We only kind of. Maybe I should try. We only kind of press play or press record because we really like this one.
Yeah.
I didn't think, and then when I looked at this, you can talk to them below this price. If it's that close, you know you can get it under 200. So
Yeah.
that's not bad. I don't think that's bad at all. I don't know how much used ones can go for, but
Yeah.
I think it's a really sharp, good sofa seating up here.
It is. Look,
One thing I don't like about the Fords, up here don't be too modernish.
No, it's very generic.
Fords lack it up here.
They lack innovation up in
This
yeah.
is Garmin. This looks like it comes out. This looks like a tablet.
Oh, okay.
Attached. So yeah, they lack innovation up here. And I think that's why when you see things on Ford chassis, they're a lot cheaper. I won't even say a little cheaper. They're a lot cheaper. We saw a nice Class C that we did in the short, right? That was real cheap. The thing was below $84,000. You know, and it was nice. Couple of slide outs. Not really big fans of them, but you didn't have to slide out. Like this one, we couldn't fit. You got to slide it out.
Yeah, because see, look, you look back there. I mean, you have to slide out to be able to use any of the services.
Yeah, and the other C, the C, you didn't have to slide out at all if you didn't want to.
Mm-mm.
So,
oh, we forgot to say that this bed also comes down.
Oh yeah. So this is I forget what they call these beds. There is a word for it, but some button somewhere where it's gonna come down and
it'll come all the way
sleep
down
here, and then it looks like these convert somehow into a sleeper. I'm not 100 on that, but
I do think this converts into a sleeper.
At least this.
Yeah, this right here. Yeah.
So,
and then here's the seating here, and these all have seat belts for in case, you know.
It feels very comfortable.
It is
We sit in a
comfortable.
lot of seats.
We do.
These are important, believe it or not. But you know why? Because you're going to spend a lot of time in them. You know, so if you can't replace them and these are going to be the seats, a $200,000 purchase, I sure will not do it if I didn't like the seat in it.
Yeah.
You know, let's say I like the looks and everything, but the seat sucked.
Yeah.
You have to give me a new seat in there before I consider it because I don't like it.
We don't really like the bench style dining section. However, everything else in here that we've seen, I really love it. And it's like a mini bus. So.
Babe, I can go to sleep in. I'm feeling comfortable. Yeah. I like that. Are we on the front? Oh, you can switch cameras when.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I can't do that on my phone.
Yeah, so it's really nice. I like it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's all. So
Look, I'm getting sleepy up in
I
here.
know, it's very relaxing.
But it's a very sharp RV, so I'm actually gonna have to start looking at some of these open roads.
Hold on, let me flip it.
6 Open Roads Allegro, because you know what, the 2025 might be decent, the 2024, and even the doing a lot of research. I really think it's important to always check out those pre-COV ones, C19 ones, because the quality has changed. You know what I mean? And I think before I get a new one, I'm definitely going to always look at the used ones and see what I can get pre-C19 before I look at a post-C19. Yeah, I'm kind of doing a lot of research. Not necessarily saying I'm going to trade in a van and get rid of the van, but I just like, you think about some of the ones that you possibly want in the future, and you just kind of stay educated on it, so you know more about it when it does come time. And that's what I'm learning. I mean, after C19,
Everything went down.
oh my goodness.
The quality.
yeah, definitely do your research and check the quality difference, because even though it's going to be 6 years older or so, it's probably going to last you a lot longer from what I'm discovering in my research. These new ones look nice, but it might not be worth it. But, anyway.
All right. That'll be all.